Alright, so we got the fan up, and we got a new capacitor. Sadly, somehow we didn't wire the light right, but we'll fix that tomorrow. We're pretty tired because this ceiling is absolutely beeped. It's weird. But yeah, let's get this baby started. Like I said, the light doesn't work, but the light kit still looks nice on it. See? But yeah, the capacitor is fixed. Let's get this baby rolling. Might as well sit down. And yes, this ceiling is very low, and my dad kind of hits his head on the light kit a little bit. Not too hard. Not nearly as bad as it was in the kitchen. But, yeah, this fan is very beautiful. I love this. And actually, let's sit in my mom's chair. At least that'd be a better view. Yep, much better view. Very beautiful fan. It barely moved yesterday. It's pretty slow on low it, but it'll do for sure. It is a 52-inch fan. You can't expect it to be really fast like the 36-inch fans I'm currently used to. Again, I like the low speed. It looks like an aesthetic low speed almost. But the light did work yesterday, as you could see in the video, so it's not the light kit's fault. It does make a scraping noise on medium and high, which pretty odd because there's no I could see that there was no problem with the motor scraping I can feel the fan from here already. Poggers. Imagine if this was a low. But yeah, pretty pog. Yeah, that's medium. Pretty good medium. Now I don't think I can hear the scraping from the couch, which is pretty good. It wobbles. I can hear the scraping. It wobbles a lot on high. And it makes a tun 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 sound on high, but I'm kind of used to that at this point because the CEC does that, but I guess they are used fans, and most likely it's wobbling because the blades are slightly the blades are kind of loose, I noticed, so I'll fix that tomorrow. Maybe even tonight. But yeah, it's a little wobbly, but that's okay. Let's try the light one more time, see if that... Of course not. But yeah, let's reverse it. Blowing a heck ton of air. Let's reverse it. Starting to slow down. Let me help it a little bit. Blades are a little bit out of alignment, so it's gonna wobble. Well, that's just great, isn't it? Now that's just weird, isn't it? Now it's barely moving. Maybe I'll push it on a little bit, you know. This fan's kind of weird. Whatever, I don't really care, but yeah, this is the demonstration of this fan. Let's give it a push, so. Yeah, it's not too bad. It just looked a little slow, I guess. I got used to the high speed. Yeah, let's turn it off for a bit and take a look at the details of this fan. These blades are clearly repainted. Orange cane blades and polished brass. I love cane blade fans, and I didn't like the orange cane blades at first, but I started to like them, so that works out well. Let's get a top shot. Yes, we had to do some things with the ceiling to get this to work. A little ashamed of it, but if you have a problem with that, that's your problem, not mine. Oh, but yeah, here's a top shot. Got a lot of dust fell in the motor. So yeah, it's gonna help a lot because it's quite hot in this living room currently to me. Maybe because I have a sweater on. It blows a ton of air. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching this new ceiling fan video. I'll update you when I get the light kit fixed. So yeah, stay tuned for that.